What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, May 24th. SPOOs are down. We are flirting with the 1 year and 2 year point of control, POC, on the volume profile here. So as of now, we're opening up below yesterday's low of 53, which is going to put us in somewhat of a bearish position. Below that, if we break this 37 level, then we'll hit the 2025 level. Interesting that the 50-day moving average is at 41.13, and you also have a 12 half 11.75 low here. So these two levels, so this 10.13 level would be the next stop. 12 here was kind of a double bottom, and then we kind of trickled back up. For the most part, that 27, that number I was watching held, and we just stalled out up here. Bulls didn't get it done, and then we just came back down. So yesterday got sad, and then we're getting more sad today. So we'll see if that continues, or if we buoy, or if we just get a consolidation day between this in this range here, which would be par for the course after a move. You consolidate, move, consolidate. Maybe, we're back into basically Groundhog Day, so we're right back into the level that we've been at, where all the volume is. So it's kind of interesting. Here's your daily pop up to 27 was the node there. Back below the 4200, we couldn't get, they couldn't get it over there. And now we're heading back down. Here's the giant volume accumulation of the forever time we've spent here. A break of that should open up somewhat to the downside. Again, that 50 days at 41.13, so definitely watching that level. And then the 100 days at 40.65. 40.70 is really that another big level that I would watch on the downside if we were to break. That would be the 70-75 level, and I think that they would probably defend that if we were to go down to that level. If we can get back above 53, I would, technically we need above 70 to get this back up into rolling territory. And then upside target would be back to that 42.08, 42.06 level that we had before, which is interesting that we've had some closings there as well. But as of now, I don't know. I would assume that we'd consolidate. We have minutes at 2 p.m. Pivot to 78, 42.03. I like that R1, 48 and 73, 41.33, 41.08. So 41.06 also was a level from the past, so that S2 41.08, 41.06, something I would watch as well, and then 40.64, but I think the 70 would probably hold before that was tapped. Anyway, so that's about where we're at there. Euro up a little today, still below that trend line, trending down. That 107.6 level seems to be kind of a pain in the ass for it to break. But this 107.3, if we get that down, I think we go down to the 105. Cash gap down here, 41.13 to 41.09. I'd watch that one. That's in play. This one never got filled up here, which is surprising. As I said before, it would have been nice to just fill that and then come back down. That's kind of a completion in my mind of a cycle, and then we come back down, but we didn't. We chewed into it, but we didn't fill it. So still open for interpretation if we were to get there. Apple's sad this morning. A lot of it's just kind of sad. ES down 18. Dow down 116 and NASDAQ 78. So you've got some pop in crude oil and small bump in nat gas, but we'll see, what transpires. Waller speaks at 12:40 and then Fed minutes at 2 p.m. So I don't know if the Fed minutes, those are hit or miss, whether they're going to move it or not, but premiums might stay until then. The good thing is we're going to be down, so VIX will be a little higher. So premium will be there. And we'll look for opportunities and everything else today. Anyway, it's been a tough market, guys. Even the pros are having a tough market right now. So this is just a struggle. Everyone's having a hard time finding out direction, finding where this is going. There's just so much going on right now that no one knows what's going on. So stay patient, and you know, if it's not there, don't trade it. Put your hands in your pockets. This is the time to kind of just really be patient and wait for your setup. I'll be in the room all day.